So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Walmart stock, ticker symbol WMT on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the top right, right beside the notifications icon, press on the search icon or the magnifying glass. Then as I mentioned before, type in WMT or Walmart at the top here, Walmart WMT. We'll go ahead and press on that. If you want to buy the stock here, go to the bottom left, press on trade right here, or if you want to buy options for it as well, you can do that. But if you wanted to go press on Walmart, then press on the bottom left, press on trade. You can press on the green buy button. Now once that is done, make sure that buy is selected. If it says sell right here, it will be red, but if you want to press on buy, you can press on buy. Make sure that session is changed or whatever to whatever you want. So if you want pre or post market or regular trading hours, you can also change the order type as well from limit to market. Then you can go to the bottom where it says quantity. So for example, one share is 95.73 USD this moment in time. If you want to go through with this or whatever the case may be, press on the green buy button at the bottom and then proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Walmart stock, ticker symbol WMT on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching and hope this video helps.